severe thunderstorm warning, tornado possible. We are somewhere in the Apalachicola, Carabel, St. Mary's area, I think. Good line of storms, little embedded circulation back into there. See what it does. Good breeze too. That looks pretty nice. You might be right.
Look at that. There's something in there. There's something in there.
Go north.
Yeah, there's something going on in there.
Good.
Yeah, there's something in there. There's 10 out of 10.
Yeah, that's suspect over there for
something
sure.
in there. There's absolutely something in there. They're rotating rain curtains.
Yeah, might as well follow this all the way down.
This is deteriorating quick.
It is, but we'll see.
Where are we at with the current?
Good lowering. Whoa! Hey there! What is this?
That's gonna come right over, isn't it?
Broad circulation, but it's very, very low. If anything, it might be tucked up in there. Hear a lot of wind.